Hi everyone, myself Korde Sushma, studying in KT Patil College of Pharmacy, and welcome to my first YouTube video. So, guys, in this video, we are going to discuss the budget preparation and implementation. After completing this video, viewers are able to understand budget and its importance in the drugstore management. Advantages, benefits of budgets. Understand the various types of budgets or classification of the budget. Budgeting control and implementation of the budget. So, starts with the definition. Budgets are an important mechanism in the allocation of decision rights. In short, definition is financial or quantitative statements prepared for the purpose of attaining the given objective. In other words, budget is important for management. The responsible person will use the budget details to determine whether the proposal is economically feasible and realistic. Objectives: development of standards, comparison of actual results with standards, identification of deviation or fluctuating, analysis of deviation to monitor the hospital financial activities. Functions: there are three different functions. It helps to set benchmark for controlling ongoing operations. Budget brings about efficiency and improvement in the working of the organization. It helps in reducing wastage and losses by revealing them in time for future corrective actions. After that, move towards the advantages or benefits. We can say that benefits of budgets. All levels of management plan ahead. Definite objectives for evaluating performance. Coordination of activities within the business. The main advantages are: develop better financial planning, gives a better focus on decision making to the management, effectively manage the financial aspect of the hospital, expose the reasons of over expenditure, helps to focus on hospital priorities, enhances efficiency of staff and others. Then talk talks about the types of budgets. There are 6 different types of budgets. These are classified on the basis of functional activities of the organization. So, firstly, starts with the sale budget. Sale budget is actually foundation of a budget we trying to making the other budget. Example, production budget and also making budget income stable. We need some information from marketing department. We had know the selling price and order price. In short, estimation of sales forecast for specific period. The next is production budget. In this type of budget, estimation of cost for manufacturing a product was studied. It helps to decide the cost. It is based on the sales budget, in that we consider stock levels and particularly specified units to be produced. The third is labor budget. It is a part of production budget. It contains an estimation of all direct labor cost required to produce budgeted products. Labor of different grades are accelerated in terms of labor hour, machine hours, and wage rate. Total labor cost is accelerated according, that is budgeted output multiplied by the labor per unit. The next is expense budget or the expenditure budget. Expenditure budget shows the revenues and capital disbursement of various ministries or departments and presents the estimation in respect of each under plan and non-plan. It gives a detailed analysis of various types of expenditure and broad reasons for the variations in estimations. The next is cash budget. It is an important and significant type of budget in any organization. We consider the anticipated cash inflows and outflows. Cash plan for a specific period of time and helps in determination of cash requirements. Then the last is capital budget. Capital budgeting is important because it creates accountability and measurability. Any business that seeks to invest its resources in a project without understanding the risk and returns involved would be held as irresponsible by its owners or shareholders. Capital budgeting and investment appraisal is a planning process used to determine whether an organization's long-term investments such as new machinery, replacement of machinery, new plants, new products and research development products projects are worth the funding of the cash through the firm's capitalization structure. After that, we are moving towards the budget preparation. Types of budget on the basis of time are long term budget, short term budget, and current budget. Budgets are prepared as per the requirement or types of organization based on the requirement. Budget preparation is a process with designated organization and individuals having definite responsibilities that must be carried out within a given timetable. There are three types of preparation. One is long term budget. Cover periods extending beyond 1 to 2 years. Factors to be considered are market trends, economics factors, growth of population, consumption pattern, industrial production, national income, government economic and industrial policy. These budgets are prepared for long term. They are prepared for the period of 5 to 10 years. Second is short term budget. This type of budget is prepared for duration of 2 to 5 years. These budgets are prepared under control conditions. Cover the periods of 3, 6 or 12 months depending upon the nature of business. Factors to be considered are period should be long enough to complete production of various products and should allow financing of production as well in advance of actual needs. Third is current budget. This type of budget is prepared for shorter duration. The duration is usually first to third month. Very short term budget is current budget, covering a period of 1 month or so on. After that, development of budget. In this preparation, development of budget, there are different sections. First is revenue accounts, second is expense accounts, and third is capital equipment request. In revenue accounts, total income must be calculated for the implementation of the budget. In second, expense accounts includes administrative and general expenses. It includes categories of expenses like salaries and wages, professional care of the patients, outpatients and emergency expenses, and miscellaneous expenses. In third, capital equipment request. Equipment and construction budget includes budget for immediate arrangements of a new model equipments. The second last point is organization for budgetary control. Organizing and administering a budget system is a very crucial function and requires an effective planning. Control means actual state of affairs is compared with the budget. Appropriate action is taken to correct deviations, if any. Use of a budget to control a firm's activity is known as budgetary control. In this slide, we can observe the control cycle. The first step is identifying organization goals and objectives. Second is develop long-term strategy and short term plans. Develop master budget. Measure performance against the budget. And last, reevaluate objectives, goals, strategies, and plans. The last point is implementation of a budget. Actual fund position, utility of particular item, cost of products, and quantity of products. For implementation of a budget, there are requirement of different parameters. First is actual fund position. Successful implementation of budget will depend on financial position of a firm. Master budget will give insight about the future plan. Cash budget will help to know the cash plan for specific period. Overall, all type of budget are studied at micro level to implement the planned budget. Second is utility of particular item. This depends upon materials used and expressed in quantities, whereas the materials purchases budget is expressed in both ways, that is quantitative and financial. This helps in scheduling the purchase of materials to produce a given volume of output during particular period. The third is cost of products. Study of cost required to manufacture or purchase a particular product is very important of budget planning. Cost includes direct cost and indirect cost. Basically, it is production and non-production cost required to manufacture a particular product. The last is quantity of products. Effective inventory management is needed for successful implementation of budget plan. To avoid stock out and overstock, effective inventory control is needed, as huge amount of capital is invested in inventory. Here is budget implementation and budget preparation. Thank you.